Syukur nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri ketenat Excise ke Sorkar Jela, ubak Pynshlur, uloong bakum ketenat hi, Pynshlur ki Paidbah banyak dikiat. Henry hagawai pat kaliang kum kinong tre ki bahapo ketenat Pyntreikam. Ki kwahi ban kinteo, ya kepala tingka jong ketenat Excise, mat kidang don ki jing terwa ki bakin thub, ya ki jing Pyntreikam lingba ki core Komputor, ni computerization ni kabenta ka jingmi bat ka jinglot, kaban pet benia, ya ka jing penyat, ya ki kiat, si ki benta bapher jong gejela. Habaya keren bat kilat patai kubor menta kesengi kalai potri ukulaling kod arjar arpusau, nakaliang ubak kermen ulaong, hagabai de bat ka jing debe an ya ki kiat, lada ki breu, ki thet, na ki dukan de kiat, ki bedon ya ki license, ka jing do nong ya ka sorkar kamdon. Henry lada ki bade ha ki dukan, ki shim ya ki jing yo nong jongki, na ki jaka pelang kiat, na ki bonded, kan kata ya gerkom yo nong jongki terai, ki baya daikam, badru ya ka sorkar. Shushu menteri ulaong ru ba ki kudam bu kiat ki ba he na ki bonded kim la ban de kiat se ki dukan ki ba red ki ba claim license Henry kin la ban de tang se ki ba don license ki ba yo na ka sorkar namar kin don de ki jingkain but she sen bala Pyntreikam ya ka jingpet benya lingba ki core Komputor an sala ban tiblut ya ka jingde to ya ki jaka ki balong kudam ni ki bonded area.
Hagi department jungi ada lagi different department mo te kat kumata ngidang persang hi khamtam kawi department bangabat ka excise department tingi i ba kat kumata po chung ka state jungi ba ho ngim de bangi encourage ya ki briban yiti kyat ada tang kata long as kumu minister mo chung ka department ngikwa hi ba ki ba ngibat ki department ngikwa ban I justice ya ka department lajong da ka bangi persang ban wat kilat kilenti ban kiu ya ka revenue te mentangi dang don hi proposal ni dang persang ban bok khantam ka computerization ban tip ya ka jingmi bat ka jinglut khamtam ban monitor ya ki ayo ya ki ni ki liquor mo ka lenti jungki so ya kani ngidang ya persang ban watlang so hopefully ba ndala deb ya kani kan change will be there kata ketika objective jungi tematang idang yasnyo nakibai pat ki state ro ki don ki pala de implement ye kini computerization huge of difference ka revenue collection te ye katang in panot ban ong bah po mig halia kat no ba ka leakage ka no ka don ka leakage namar adu menta la ban tip exactly ye kan numbers se nakata ka daw da ka ba ni persang ye kini computerization hopefully can long long so ngingi scam change will be there and then the difference we will see ma
kabidi bukan ka leakage sungguh ka revenue bagi bukan ka jing dekiat ni maka jor bak ni ka jing de block akan lagi jaka dah kono ko happen de la ka begini ki jing de we anya pakian
and actually ya kini jing de be ain ya ngam not bano exactly ke e ka jing do nomar katkum ke jing tip jonga ye lada kini badi hakitukan kithe na po wine store ka leakage hamta kam don e ka loss of revenue kanum don re lada kini pat ki badi hadukan ki shim ya ka source jong ki from where else you let's say na bar ka state or else direct na ki bonded den hamta ka khata khamtam ye ki retailer but kumjur ya ka state hi khamtam lada ki yo direct na ka ki bottling unit te hamta ngin kwa ba kini ki bottling unit kan don ke leakage lani kini ki nongdi ro bikin then na gitu ho no doubt ngim I license kini ki nongdi hadukan bikin yeti re lagatar when it comes to revenue so kai banga setu tharai kan don hi kata ka jingto ya ka revenue jong state lada ki shim ki mar na po na kini ki wine store
be anya ka kian kim shim ni ki bonded
I have no information on that namar kini ki bonded they are not authorized to sell it to public kinung la bandi kin habdi direct ya ki wine store only namar kandon de kecing kenjing dia telada yo let's say namar kumbanga omanta ngin padon ya kata computerization te yo let's say ka don ne yo let's say kanum don ro the dala implement ya kini ka you project hang tang satip ka la judon ne they become judon, that means nothing change. If there is, then everything will be seen. Kata ka objectives juni.
So government is a portion that is leading to the leakage of the revenue, which is the main challenge that.
Actually, leakage as of now we have no proof. So that's why we said by introducing this computerization, if there is a leakage, we'll find it out. If there is no leakage also, at least we will get to know that we have been doing good. So that's why introducing this computerization is very important. But I believe that the government will give us the chance to go ahead with this if there is no financial, complication or financial problem for our state. So let's hope for the best for this, and I believe that we can do the best for our department.
Well, for revenue department, this or excise department, are you going for this digitalization?
Pardon?
Digitalization that you said.
Yeah.
Are you going for revenue department or for the excise department?
For excise department.
So, what is the process? Where we stand as of now?
Oh, we've just started. We have just started is in a conversation with different stakeholders who will be involved in this, but we have not take a decision on this. So let's hope. Now
Are
depends
you
on-
meeting chief minister for?
It
this
has
or
to be
some-
his blessing. So without the CM's blessing, concern, and not only that, it has to be with cabinet's blessing. So only then we can go ahead. There's nothing can be done just the department alone.
So are
what
you?
is the revenue collected last year and what is the target this year to do?
The number as of now I don't have it because this is technical, so I don't want to just say a random number which doesn't look nice. But our vision is that every financial year we want to increase. If there are times that we decrease, so it should not come drastically below. So we have to maintain the number. So we'll be getting it soon. So I believe in the session to come, so we can give our numbers.